Hello everyone. So this is my feature recipe service. These are the components of all the group members. I hope you can hear. So these are the features of all the group members. My component is create recipe forum, dashboard, recipe card, recipe container 1, 2, 3, and recipe details, RecipesAbdullah. This is the parent component which got the function. These are to render the recipe cards, and this is to show the details of the on the recipe card, and this is to create the recipe card. Let me show you my front end. This is my front end. Let me open the browser dev tools. When you click inspect, and when you click any of the recipe card, a get request is sent to get the details of the recipe. So let me show you the what the errors. Let me try again. Yeah, it's all working fine. So when you click on the recipe card, it shows you the details by sending a get request to the backend. So I've got two API in my backend. Let me show you. One is called user A controller. One is called the user A controller. This is the endpoint, and the other is called recipe controller. Recipe controller is responsible for handling three functions: get, post, and delete. So I showed you the get request. Now I'll show you the post request. If you enter any name of the recipe, description of the recipe, and ingredients of the recipe, and email. If you enter incorrect email, the publishing should be a present registered user of the user table. I mean user feature of the website. If I click submit now, it fails because this email I entered, it's not it says force report not found, because it is how I configured it in my backend. So because this email was not present in this user table of my database. So if I enter some email which is present in the database, if I enter some email which is present in the database, so and I then click submit recipe, this post it first due to check if the email is present, get request to check the present email, then it sends a post request to post the details of the recipe in the recipes table, and then it against a get request to update this call table here. So post, I've sent you the post, show you the post required to get request, and now I want to show you the delete request. So if you want to delete the function, not everyone can delete, only the creator of this recipe can delete it, who is John.Barry, a registered user. So if I put any wrong password, it will fail, it will give me error, because it first sends a option check for due to pause config, then it sends a get request to collect the password. If it matches, then it delete it, but it doesn't match it, so yeah, the delete request failed. So if I now enter the password for john.doe@example.com, so for john.doe example it is ZT05. So now if I delete, okay, and put AZERT05 and okay, look, the recipe is gone from here, so it is deleted. So this is my application, and I'm in a hurry because I think my voice is not being recorded. So this is my backend application. I got two entities, recipe and a user. I got two controller, user recipe controller, user A controller, two repository, one service class. Thank you.